Hi, welcome for another day of technical analysis where everybody makes money. Wait for our entry, stop loss, and take profit for today's coin. If you are not subscribed yet, so please subscribe and click that notification bell. So if you can see here, we trade yesterday. So I shared it to Eka, or we pronounce it Egar, and he said I shared it on my 193% profit. And I said, I like it. Breakout trade. Bro, you nailed it, he said. So he's my workmate also. And I told him to copy my trade also. So I showed him my chart and I showed him the drawing. I was watching this breakout. When volume kicked, I entered. Okay. So up to I hit 211%. And that's what you are seeing right now here. Okay. So if you want to make money, you can copy my trade. Okay? I trade once every day for BTC here in Yulian. Okay? And I trade Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin because it's the most uh heavy heavy coin in the market, as it has Bitcoin dominance. When it moves, everything else moves. Okay? So in other platform, I trade all kinds of coin. But in Yulian, I do this one. Okay? So I am 89% win rate. So you can imagine, you can always make money when you trade with me with 89% win rate. So let's go to our chart right now. We are looking at XRP. And this is our yesterday's technical analysis. So if you notice, I put my drawing here and the breakout. Okay? The breakout would be this one. So when Bitcoin dumped, so it also broke out. Okay? When it broke out, when Bitcoin pumped, it also pumped up. Okay? So here, we can see that my chart was followed. Okay? So my chart was followed with the breakout. Okay, so the M pattern was followed. But because of the strong resistance here, so strong support here, it bounced back. Okay? So I hope you made money with our XRP trade. So now let's check our weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame has 1 day and 17 hours left. Okay, so this is our weekly time frame. We are in sideways. If we look at this chart, big red, small green, candlestick pattern, big red, small green, big red, small green, big red, small green. So it can be a bullish harami. It is preparing a bullish harami for our weekly time frame. So if this one becomes red, this is too small because of the resistance. If you look at our EMA ribbon, it's a strong resistance. The bulls try to reach top, but the resistance resist them in doing so. And so they opened and now they are in red candle. This is for the weekly time frame, okay? Okay, so we are in the sideways yet and waiting for the Bitcoin's next move. Take note, we have crossed the ring already and we are going downside slowly. Okay? To begin the bear market. The bear market has already begun. Okay, let's check the 1 day time frame. So if you want to trade this in daily time frame, we can expect, you see, this is the trade, this is the candle yesterday. One small green, big red. One small green, big red. So this one is bearish engulfing. So if we trade this in daily time frame, one small green, big red, bearish engulfing, we have made money already. Because the next candle was bearish. Okay? So now, this is the candle that we are trading. Two red candle. So, and now the next candle is still in 16 hours. So we cannot tell really what will happen via 1 day time frame. Okay? And our awesome oscillator doesn't have volume. So it has the potential. It's going up. So it's going up. But this one is going down. Oh, this is good. This is good. Samson, don't get noisy yet. So my pet is named Samson. He's barking. So here you see it's going down, but here in Awesome Oscillate it's going up. That's why the next is going up. Okay, no volume, so we can clearly see that it doesn't have any power for now to go down. Okay, it needs to accumulate strength. So now we are in just sell. So let's take a look at 4-hour time frame. So in 4-hour time frame, let's delete this one. Our 4-hour time frame, we are continually, now we have, is this a new trend line? So trend line is always respected. Okay, so that's why it's important to also create trend lines. Okay, because charts respect trend lines. So what do we have here? Ooh. So this is 4-hour time frame, okay? So if this breakout, this is rising wedge. Okay? Take note, rising wedge. One. Okay, so this is rising wedge. If that is rising wedge, what do we have here? Our take profit will be this area, and the rising wedge will always be a bear. Okay? So watch out for the next drop. Here, 0.7142. Okay? So, of course, there will be strong resistance here. Strong support, I mean. And strong support also here. So, it can bounce back. Okay? But this is the picture. If Bitcoin goes down, everything follows. Okay? So, you can enter here. 0.8. And then your stop loss above. 0.8051. Or you can wait for the clear breakout. Okay, just like what I did here. I entered here, this line in my fib line, 46519. So I entered here. Even though this is the resistance level, the support level, the yellow line I drew. So when still here, I ordered it already. I placed the order. So when the volume came, poof, I made money right away. Okay? So that's how you trade Bitcoin. Okay. So what do we have here? Let's look at 1-hour time frame. So for 1-hour time frame, this is how it looks like. It's forming a big cup. Okay? It's a cup. It's a cup. Cup and handle. Okay? So this is the handle. Okay? So if that is the cup and handle, your first take profit will be from top to bottom. This one here. So if it hits here and goes back with the cloud, Ichimoku cloud, let me remove the cloud. Let me remove the Ichimoku cloud. Here. So if it hits the Ichimoku cloud, then it will go down. Okay? It's a strong resistance. So, but if this one will be followed, the cup and handle, or take profit will be here. Okay? 7459. Okay, that will be our breakout. So this one is a fake out. This can be a fake out for this looking breakout. Okay, so to get, if everybody is placing their long order here, so it needs to go down first to get their stop loss. So we call it the smart money. Very good. You remember what I'm teaching you here. So smart money, you place your order here, you place your stop loss here, and then the smart money, the bankers, takes your money from you and then go to the direction. Okay? Okay, and then they made money from you. Okay? So do not be food for the sharks, the banks. Okay? Learn how to trade. Trade with me in Julian EX. Okay? Scan the QR code and let us make money. And you can also learn from my technical analysis daily. Okay? So all the best. Cheers.